From 1900 to 1945, Buffalo was a city charging full speed into the future, streetcars buzzing, factories roaring, and neighborhoods spreading faster than almost anywhere else in America. At the dawn of the century, Buffalo was a true powerhouse. Niagara Falls delivered cheap, abundant electricity, the Erie Canal kept commerce booming, and the 1901 Pan American Exposition put the city on the world stage with electric lights that seemed almost unreal for their time. Downtown rose quickly. New hotels, movie palaces, department stores, and office towers reshaped the skyline. The waterfront never slowed, grain elevators, railroads, and constant freighter traffic made Buffalo one of the busiest ports in the nation. Immigrants from across Europe arrived in waves, bringing new cultures, new languages, and the workforce that powered Buffalo's biggest industries. Through the energy of the Roaring '20s, the strain of the Great Depression, and the wartime surge of the 1940s, Buffalo kept pushing ahead, adapting and expanding even when the times were tough. And that's what these postcards capture, not just pretty scenes, but snapshots of a city in motion. A city confident, ambitious, and full of momentum. This was Buffalo in its rise, a place built on grit, determination, and the belief that its future would only get brighter.